Patricia Harvey from Real Life Group, and today you are going to be learning about how to check for demand in your rental properties. So listen, some quick fire tips. You have got to get these places rented so that you can create passive income for yourself. What's the alternative? They sit empty and you make nothing. Nobody wants that. So step one, to check your demand in your rental area, there's a few different strategies. But for example, for a HMO, you can look online at such websites like Spare Room, for example. Simply putting the area in for flatmates looking for rooms to rent in this area, and it will tell you how many people are currently vacant looking for a room to rent. So it just gives you a guess of the demand just based on that. They're looking for themselves. In our experience, filling our rooms through places like Spare Room is a massive part of our strategy, because people that are looking for those types of strategies, that is where they go, onto Spare Room. Also, Gumtree, very underutilized by people. What a great tool. It's free as well, so just enjoy it. Putting your advert on there, getting people from different backgrounds, from different countries, maybe they're coming in for apprenticeships in that area, things like that. Absolutely works a treat, and giving yourself the maximum opportunity. Remember, when you're looking for these kind of demand tenants, it's all about consistency and getting back to them as fast as possible. Because remember, if you don't get back to them and you don't reply to their message, somebody else will, and then they will take those tenants. No, you don't want that. You want them for yourself. You're creating financial freedom for yourself, so do whatever it takes. So step one is to check on the mainframe websites like Spare Room, seeing what the demand is in that area. Number two, when you do get replies, make sure you respond as fast as possible so that you don't let your beautiful hot lead go quiet and then somebody else scoops up your lovely tenant in that area. Also, go and interview. Yes, I'm saying interview. Step three, interview letting agents in the area that you're looking to work in. These are the people that are going to be fighting for your rooms to be rented over other landlords in those areas. What do they want? What rooms do they have right now that are empty? Why are they empty? And what is it that rents really quickly? What are they lacking in that area? And this is also going to help you in regards to, is this a good strategy fit for this area? Now, I'm not saying take all the advice from the agents and that means it's gospel and don't do anything else. This is just part of the steps in the process in checking your demand. But they can help you understand, is this a good area, is it going to work or not in the first place? Always use the rule of three when speaking to agents, because you want to make sure that you've maximized the different areas. Some agents will work very well in certain areas and some agents will only have a little bit of experience. Again, depending on your strategy. Same thing can be done for buy-to-lets, and also serviced accommodation can be checked in this way, but not necessarily using the same management model. Obviously, that is a different piece, which we will catch in a different video. So make sure you hit the like button, comment, share this, get yourself notified so that every time new content is coming onto this page, you are the first to see it and maximize your results.